This fantastic short waterfall walk starts off along the roadside at Skelwith Bridge. It begins by following a public footpath parallel to the road, leading you straight to Skelwith Force. Continuing further along the river and crossing at the bridge, the route then proceeds down the opposite side of the River Brathay to join the road back at Skelwith Bridge. The footpath to Skelwith Force is always popular, even on a wet and windy day. It is unlikely that you'll be here alone. The path is wide and runs parallel to the road and the River Brathay. It's a peaceful walk with the sound of birdsong and flowing waters. Skelwith Force is quickly reached, with its rumbling sound getting ever closer with each step. A short detour off the main path leads you over a footbridge and onto the rocks directly above the falls. It's an interesting perspective, with the option of scrambling down the rocks to cross the lower bridge and see its impressiveness from the front. After days of torrential rain, it's a rather dangerous prospect and one best left for another time. Heading back to the main path and continuing a little further leads me to a footbridge and to a path on the opposite side of the River Brathay. The path leads me through a damp woodland with an optional detour to view the falls from this side. A turn left leads me through a gate and past a couple of houses to the road. Once on the A593, follow it over Skelwith Bridge and back to the parking area. For those seeking lunch, Chester's is the perfect place located just by the river.